Hello everyone, my name is Maruti GV, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain one important problem on isometric projection. The problem statement is like this: a hemisphere of diameter 50 mm is centrally resting on the top of a square prism of base side 60 mm and height 30 mm, such that the curved surface of the hemisphere is touching the top face of the prism. Okay, draw its projections. See here, we have a two combination of solids. One is hemisphere of diameter 50 mm. It is resting on the top of a prism, right? That is square prism. Okay. Here, hemisphere is resting on the top of a square prism. Okay. Now I will show you how to do the sketching. Okay. Now first we will go with the base part. The base part is what? It is a square prism of side 60 mm and height is 30. Okay. Now I will go for AutoCAD software. Okay. Now, actually, in the previous class, I told you what are the settings you need to make, all those things, right? Yeah, I will do one thing. Once again, I will explain how to do the settings, all those things in AutoCAD. See, first thing is a sheet selection. You go for new, you go for browse template, then you select AutoCAD ISO sheet, then you click on open. Then after that, three main settings you need to make. That is basic settings. One is unit settings. Okay. The shortcut key will be UN enter. You go for UN enter. Then, yeah, decimal. Then precision will be 0.00 millimeter. Okay. Then dimension settings. D enter. You go for modify. Now here, what are the modification you need to make? One is for symbols and arrows sizes. Okay, you just modify to you just set arrow size to 4. Then you go for text. You go for text height is also 4. Check with the primary units. Here decimal separator you please take spirit. Then you please click on OK. Set current. Close. Then ST enter. This is for text height. Okay. Whatever the text we are going to type, for that we are going to set a height as a 4. Set current. Close. And after this, it is better to make use of layers. Here I will go for creation of three layers. One is thick line. Okay. For thick line color, I will go for black and yeah, line is continuous, no problem. Then line weight. Okay. When it comes to lightweight, line weight, I will go with somewhat thick line that is 0.5 mm. Then after that, I will go for creation of another line, another layer. The layer name is what? Thin line. Okay. For this again, I will go with the color that is yeah, I will go with red color. I will click on OK, and the line weight. Line weight I will go with yeah, it is a thin line that is a projection line, so 0.05. And the last one is what here axis line. Okay, I will go with the yeah, last layer that is axis line. Then here I will go with here the color that is blue. Then after that, yeah, line is what here? Yeah, line. I need to change the line type, right? I will go for here, load, select anyone, Control A. You input your browser or history. Then you select center or two. Then line thickness also. I will go with 0.15. Okay. Now the next step is what we need to change the scale. Now see it is what rectangular snap we have, that we need to change the isometric snap. So DS enter, graph settings. Okay, you go for snap type, isometric snap. You click on OK. Right. Then you press F5. This I don't need this plane. Okay. Isoplane. Then I will go for F5. Yeah. Now what? This is what I want. Then I will go for layout one, because instead of doing the sketching in model, directly we'll go for layout one. In that we'll do it. We'll go for modify DWG to PDF ISO A4 297 into 210 is what our requirement sheet. Oh, now sheet selected. Everything is over. Next thing is that we just select this Okay, because we are making use of whole this area which is available in this A4. Okay, so it will be very helpful. Then, yeah, this is what the area what we need. Okay, now, now the first step, right? See, the first step in the problem they clearly mentioned we need to go for constructing a square prism of side 60 and height 20. Now 60, okay, double click on the screen. Now, yeah, 60 mm I need to go. Now I will go with the base part. Again, I will go with a thick line directly. Now here, see, I'm free to move, select anything I want here. Now I want to select this corner. I want to start from this corner, na? Then it will be better. Okay, I will get the point. Now see, for that purpose, I will switch on F9. Okay, now F9 is on. Now I'll go for line command. Now see, my cursor is moving on only that corners. See, now here we need to draw the base, that is square prism of base side 60 mm. So I will go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Then again this side 6 boxes, right? 5, 6. See, 6 boxes. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. Then again 6. Right? Again I will check with that. What is the, yeah, it is 60 mm. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now what is the height? Height is how much? Height is 30 mm. Right? I will go with 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the base, right? Yes. Then again from this 6 boxes, 4, 5, 6. Then you please join. Okay. Now I will switch off F9. Okay. Now I want to draw the lines F9 switch off. Now over which now I am going to space a hemisphere, right? Now hemisphere dimension also they have given, that is 50 mm, right? 50 mm. Now I need to find out the center point. So I'll go for line command. Okay. It is yeah. I'll go with the thin line. See, from this to this. Then again here the yeah, center point. Yeah, I will get it here. Yeah, this is what our center point. Then I will go for line comma. Now I'll draw the axis line. Actually, the hemisphere, the diameter they have given, that is what 50 mm. So half will be 25 here, 2.5 boxes. Okay, from this, that is 2.5, right? That is 25 mm, 25. Yeah. Now after this, I will delete this line. Okay, projection I don't need it. Now from this, I need to draw the what? Now I frame. I'll go for again construction, that is thin line, line command. See, from this, if I go for, yeah, from this also you can do it, others from the base also you can, yeah, go for it like this. Yeah. What is the, our, the sphere diameter, it is 50, right? Now we need to construct the frame. See, I will switch on this ortho so I can draw the horizontal vertical line. Then here, see, this is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That is 50. Right? I'll switch on F9 also, it will be better. Yeah, 50. Then again this side, 50. Then again this side is also here, that is 50. Then the base. Okay. See, yeah, hemisphere is 50. That's right. Then after this, we need to go for here. Okay. After this, what we need to do is we need to go for again line command, right? Then again, you go for thin line. That's fine. See, from this, I'll switch off F9. Here, what is the midpoint? That is, if it is 15 or 25 will be midpoint. Then again, from this midpoint, right? 25. Then again from the top also midpoint. See, from this to here, that is midpoint. Then again from this also midpoint, right? See, this one, or midpoint. Okay, so let's so yeah, now this I need to go for thick line, then arc, center started, This is the center point. Now this is what the arc what we are going to draw. Again the same thing, center start end. This is the center point, starting point, then would control, yes, the end point. Same thing you need to do it for top and bottom also. See, this is from the top it is fixed, center start end. Then again from the center start end from the bottom, right? From this bottom to starting point, see, come to end point. See, like this. Okay. Now after this, you please delete all these projection lines. Okay. It looks a little clumsy now. And also these are hidden lines. That also you just remove it. Yeah. Now it's good. Now we need to draw the what? The edges. Here they have given one condition in the problem. That is the curved surface of hemisphere is touching the top of the face of the prism. Yeah. Now that is okay. Now that is the condition. Now what we will do is we need to go for actual dimension. Okay. Okay, now whatever the arc we are going to draw, it will be actual dimension. But now here, whatever the lines we are taking, drawing everything, it is isometric. See, if you want to convert normal into isometric, you need to multiply by 0.816. Then again, isometric to normal, it will be what? One, you need to multiply it by 1.23. Okay, now line, yeah, said like, see, I will go for calculator. Okay, now here. 50 is what our diameter is. 50 into 1.23. It will be 61.5. Now I need a radius, right? It will be 30.75. Okay. Go for center, start in from this center. Okay. 31 point, right? 30.75. So we go for 30.75 enter. Now you draw the arc. Okay. But the thing is that whatever the arc you are going to draw now, it is not going to exactly touch this. Okay. What we need to do is this. Okay. If you want, see, you can draw this line up to here, rectangular. Okay. Then after that, you just connect it. Okay. Select line and you just connect it. Okay. Try to make it, yeah, a little bit tangent. Then you just, okay. Normally you just try to connect. Okay. Like that. And okay. You just make it arc. Huh? Can use it arc also now. Okay. This is what the problem what we needed. Then after this, you just save the problem. Okay. Then you just take a printer. You go for here, Control P. You already made all the setup. See, you go for preview. See, we'll get the preview. You go for Control P. Okay. You just take the preview and you save it and you take a printout. Okay. Thank you.